All right, so it's percent equation today, lesson 6.3. We did skip over lesson 6.2. That's estimating and using mental math. But we'll get back to it. Don't worry. Don't worry. Anyway, percent equation, okay? It's similar to the percent proportion in that there's the part, the whole, and the percent. It's just, in this case, we're going to write the percent as a decimal. Here it is, right here. If you're taking notes and want to write stuff down, you can. Our percent equation is that right there, and that percent needs to be written as a decimal. You can also write it as a fraction if that helps or is more convenient, or more if the numbers are more compatible to kind of use the fraction form, then go right ahead. All right. Let's get to the first example. Okay, it's similar problems to what we did with percent proportion. You just have to put them into you have to figure out if it's the part, the percent of the whole, and then you got to put it in the right position, and then you got to solve. Okay, so in this case, we have find 62% of 75. Obviously, the 62 is the percent, and of 75, remember, of goes with the whole. So of 75, so you can see that here's the percent equation, part equals percent times whole. Well, we put the whole in there for that position, and then we change the percent to a decimal by moving the decimal place over twice. Typically, you think of percents as in the hundredths place, right? Because it's out of 100. All right, and all you do is multiply and get the answer. So try these two. You'll end up seeing, go ahead and pause and try them, then I'll show you the work, and you can see the answers. All right. Here we have the A equals B percent times B is what they typically use as the, at least in this textbook. You have to be flexible though, because they change the variables in every textbook you'll see. Anyway, so that's the part. The percent in this case is 0.60 or just 0.6, and the whole is 96 because it's new. Comes right after the word of. All right, and then you can multiply and get that answer. The other one would be the part is equal to 0.45 times 70, and here are the answers. All right, there you go. Let's go into the next problem. So just like our last notes, what's going to happen is you're going to in one, the part's going to be missing, in one, the percent's going to be missing, and in one, the whole's going to be missing. And you just have to recognize which one is missing for each problem. Anyway, example 2 looks like the percent is the one missing because it says what percent. We have the 287 is, we have the what percent, and we have the of 410. So when we write down the percent equation here and we plug everything in, okay, in this case, since we have a number multiplying by the variable, we have to divide by that on both sides to isolate the variable, and we get a decimal. Now, this is a part that that's supposed to be a star. It's a terrible star. Where you might forget and just input an answer real quick because you're rushing or whatever and get it wrong. This is the percent, but it's in decimal form. So what do we have to do? We have to move the decimal over twice so that we get 70%. And then we can write it out like this. 287 is 70% of 410. All right. We have our examples here, and I left the answers on. All right. Well, oh well. It's okay. So you would have had, let's see, 15 is, right? So 15 equals what percent? So P for percent of 125. So that's the setup for that one. We would divide by 125. It cancels that out. Divide by 125. And we get P equals, I don't have the math in front of me, but I mean, you can do it on a calculator, but all right. Anyway, and then the other one, 20 is what percent of 400? All right, divide by 400, and you saw the answers there. Okay, just leave the answers on. Why not, right? You guys got this. Okay, and we were missing the percent. And then, sorry, we were missing the part, the first one, we were missing the percent here, and now we're going to be missing the whole for example 3. So 33 is 55% of what number? Well, we write the percent equation. Okay, we put the part in its place, the decimal form of the percent, and we're missing the whole. All right, so again, we're going to divide in this case and get 60 right there. Don't forget the decimal form of the percent. All right, so here are the answers. See if you can get them yourself. I'll show you the setup, pause, and then watch my setup. Okay, this one says 18 is, and 30%, so move the decimal over twice, that'd be 0.30 times, we don't know because it says of what number. And then the next setup would be 79 is 80%, so that'd be 0.80, and times what number, so that'd be there. Okay, so here is a nice little summary here. You might want to write this down. That on page 262, there's a good summary. That is it for right now. That's just the first part of this lesson, because the second part is tax, and I'll make another video for that. All right, good luck. Hopefully it clicks, and have a great day.